having?
3 seasons.
Do you know the name? आपको नाम पता है? हेलो.
Yes, teacher.
तो आपको सीजन के नाम तो पता होंगे, वो तो बताओ मुझे.
Summer, rainy season, and winter season.
Very, very good. So this is our three main season. These are our three main seasons: summer, winter, and rainy season. Yes.
Yes.
So you can mute yourself.
Okay, teacher.
Alvin De Silva, I have unmuted you. Alvin, are you there? De Silva? Speak up.
Teacher.
So you tell me, you come to know now we are having three main season. Okay. Now, in a 1 year, this all season are for how many days or how many months? Okay. So let me know you that we are having the three main season and these seasons are of 4 months. They each are of 4 month. 4 month का summer होता है, 4 month का rainy season होता है and 4 month winter season होता है. Okay. Now here I am going to share my PDF with you. Wait a minute. Even I want you to take out your textbook. Okay. Keep your textbook with you because we are going to do some reading also. We are going to do some reading also. So be ready with your textbook also. I don't want that you should not having textbook with you. So as I told you, we are having the three main seasons: summer, winter, and rainy season. Now, when it is a summer season, when does the summer season start and when does the rainy season start? Let us see now. See, you are having this chart in your textbook, page number 6. Yes, so you can see summer, rainy, and winter. Now, later day of February. Now, when the February start? Yes, from the last week of February, we can find the summer season. February, March, April, and May. Till the early days of June is the summer season. Yes, so you can see over here from March, April, and May, June, we are having summer season. Yes. Now, if I ask you, when does you are having the summer vacation? So your answer will be yes, from the last of April till the June. Yes, June. From the June, you are having, you finish your summer vacation and you come back to school. You can see the next rainy season, later days of June. Rainy season comes sometimes earlier or later in the last month of June or in the early month of July. So it starts from July, August, September and October. Now winter season. So can anyone tell me now which season is running? अभी कौन सा season चल रहा है? Who is going to tell me? Navya, I have unmuted you. Navya.
Yes, teacher.
Navya, अभी कौन सा season चल रहा है बेटा?
Winter season.
Winter season. Very good. So can you see in your textbook and tell me from which days the winter season start? Do you have textbook with you?
October,
November.
December, and January.
Yes. So we find winter season from early days of later days of October, November, December and January. Early days of February. मतलब लास्ट फरवरी तक, स्टार्टिंग फरवरी तक ठंडी रहती है. So some place, now if you go to the north side, you can find people are wearing sweater. Yes, are you wearing sweater at Mumbai, Navya?
Yes.
आप स्वेटर पहनते हो यहाँ पे?
नहीं.
नहीं, because इतनी ठंडी यहाँ पे नहीं पड़ती. It is a slightly,
Yes.
not that much. Now, which season comes before and which seasons come after? Now, after, you can mute yourself, Navya. Now, which
Yes,
season
teacher.
come after
Thank you,
winter?
teacher.
After winter, summer season will come. Now, after summer season, rainy season. Again, after rainy season, winter season will come. Yes. So, this is the cycle of season. एक के बाद season आएंगे. Okay. They will be remain for the specific month. It means from March to June there will be a summer. Okay. क्यों मार्च बोल रही हूँ? Very hot. It's that from that month we are feeling very hot. We feel thirsty. We like to drink sharbat. We want AC. We want cooler. Yes. We cannot roam out in a hot afternoon. है ना? जिस तरह अभी हम ठंडियों में घूम सकते हैं, वैसे हम धूप में समर सीजन में नहीं घूम सकते, बिकॉज दैट टाइम इट्स वेरी हॉट. नाउ रेनी सीजन, जस्ट द रेनी समर सीजन खत्म हुआ, जस्ट द समर सीजन एंड्स फ्रॉम व्हेन? जून लास्ट तक. ओके. तो स्टार्टिंग लास्ट जून से क्या हो जाएगा? रेनी सीजन स्टार्ट हो जाता है. यस. सो कभी कभी कुछ क्लाइमेटिकल कंडीशन ऐसा होता है कि जुलाई में भी स्टार्ट होता है, जून में नहीं होता है स्टार्ट, जुलाई में, पर रेनी सीजन आ ही जाता है ऑलमोस्ट. तो फिर जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर एंड अक्टूबर वी आर हैविंग रेनी सीजन. यस, दिस 4 मंथ इट विल इज कंपल्सरी कि ये सीजन में बारिश होना ही होना है. सो हम क्या करते हैं, हमारी इवेंट्स, फेस्टिवल, शादी या कोई कुछ प्रोग्राम करना होता है, तो वी अरेंज अवर इवेंट इन दैट वे. यस. Now it comes to the winter season. Now what is the winter season? अभी winter season start from later October. जहाँ अक्टूबर ख़त्म हुआ, अभी देखो नवंबर मंथ चालू है ना, लाइटली ठंडी है. कल बारिश हुई है थोड़ा सा, तो थोड़ा मौसम ठंडा है, नहीं तो उसके पहले कितना गर्म हो रहा था. यस. सो फ्रॉम नवंबर, दिसंबर एंड जनवरी एंड February earlier there is a winter season. So you can see in a winter most of the marriages are there. Why? बारिश में कोई भी फंक्शन नहीं कर सकते आप, because it will all watery and all that side. So you can see most of the functions and weddings and marriages are conducted on the winter season. Now I'm going to ask one question. Which season fall between the winter and rainy season? So who is going to tell me? This season, Mosmi, I have unmuted you, beta. Speak up. Hello. Sorry, Sambodhi. It's Sambodhi.
Yes, teacher.
Can you tell me which seasons falls between winter and rainy? Which seasons fall between winter and rainy? Hello. Hello. Which season fall between winter and rainy? समर सीजन. अभी 2 सीजन का जब मैं नाम ले रही हूँ, तो एक ही सीजन बचा हुआ है ना, समर सीजन. तो समर आएगा ना, समर के बाद क्या आता है? रेनी आता है. रेनी के बाद विंटर आता है. विंटर के बाद अगेन क्या आएगा? समर आएगा. यस. दिस साइकिल इज रिपीटिंग. कैन यू हियर मी? आई एम नॉट एबल टू. Sambodhi, are you speaking something? Yes, no, nothing you're answering. Okay, mute yourself. I have lowered your hand. So now let us see one beautiful video on the season. Okay, that will tell us which month fall, which season, and what are the difference. This is some part of EVS also. What food we are having in that season, what clothes we wear. Yes. So let us see one beautiful video where we can see about the season. Okay, so by this video you come to know about season, what are their difference. Yes, so I am going to ask you some question related to this. Okay, so Aradhya Pandey, I have unmuted you.
Yes, teacher.
So in which season you like to go for morning walk? Do you go morning walk for rainy season?
No.
No, why? क्यों नहीं जाते हो आप मॉर्निंग वॉक को रेनी सीजन में? बिकॉज इट विल बी रेनिंग आउटसाइड और सब जगह पानी कीचड़. यस
Yes.
तो आपको ऐसे बताना चाहिए ना. आप हिंदी में भी बोलोगे तो भी मैं आपका आंसर एक्सेप्ट करूंगी. ठीक है ना? ओके, सो वी फाइंड ऑल देयर आर मड. मड
टीचर,
किसको बोल? यस,
जब आप वीडियो दिखा रही थी ना तो आवाज नहीं आ रही थी.
आवाज नहीं आ रही थी.
नो.
ओके, ओके, नाउ यू कैन म्यूट योरसेल्फ. मैं ट्राई करूंगी वापस दिखाने का. ओके, टुडे वी आर नॉट हैविंग द co-host to let me know. So here in this video we see our 3 seasons. We can see how in summer we wear different clothes, we drink cold drinks. Yes, in winter we need a hot milk or hot chocolate. Yes, we all up to that. Now we have learned about the season, how they fall. Now here we can see that Pushkaraj, I have unmuted you, beta.
Mute. Yes, teacher.
Can you tell me from which season winter season start? Which month winter season start?
October. October.
Yes, till October till
January.
yes, January last you can say. Okay, so this is our winter season. You can mute yourself. Do you understand about season?
Yes.
Good. Now you can mute yourself. Same students are raising the hand. I want some other student too to give me the answer. Juhi, Mohit, I have unmuted you. Juhi,
Yes, teacher.
can you please tell me from which month rainy season start?
June.
Yes, the rainy season starts from the June. So do you understand this lesson?
Yes.
Very good. So now I am going to ask you about your previous knowledge.
हाँ चालू है.